What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here, Wicked Explorers. This is our last day here in Pigeon Forge. This is our third vlog that we did here. Second one at Dollywood. Last year we did Gatlinburg. We do this every Labor Day. We're typically here. We have been for the last 3 years, and I don't see anything changing now. With the kid coming and our friends down here and stuff, it's just a great time. We love coming down here, and it's beautiful staying. Perfect time of year. Go through the park, go see all the stuff that's around here. There's plenty to do. I would always advise, come down. Definitely worth the trip to East Tennessee out here, and you enjoy yourself. So that includes our trip. Sue's packing up right now, getting everything together. I am heading to the gift store over here. I gotta get a t-shirt, and then that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. We're driving to Charlotte tonight to head to the airport, and I'm flying home. Should be home back to Boston around I don't know, around 12:30 a.m. in the morning. So I'm back to work tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this vlog, as always, please click the subscribe button on the side and go even further and hit the little alarm button, because then you get alerts every time we post a new video, which is typically twice a week. So if you enjoy our videos and you enjoy our travel adventures and stuff, and you know, want to stay connected with us, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye. I'm not sure what highway this is, but this is Pigeon Forge. We videotaped this many times. It's really early. It's like 8:30 in the morning on Labor Day Monday, so people are getting ready to leave and going back to their lives. It's the last day for a lot of people. Some people might be hitting the park up one last time before going home. Others, you know, they're just done for the weekend. We haven't even touched most of this stuff here. There's so much stuff on the street I want to do. Miniature golfing. Usually we're so exhausted, so we're planning our trip better next year. We're doing 2 full days here in a night rather than 1 full day and 2 nights. It just makes more sense. So next year we're doing Friday, Saturday, Sunday, leaving on Monday. It's so much to do. We want to explore more. We want to go to Gatlinburg and stuff, and can't really do that in one day. We get too tired. Enough kid on the way. It's gonna be a lot different. So next year at this time, when you're watching this video, you'll see a little more content. We'll have a little more stuff going on. So it'll be a good time. Well, it's not Boston.
No.
It's a little bonus episode.
Ghost town.
Yes. Well, we're supposed to be in Boston tonight. Our flight got mixed up, and then we thought it was going to be canceled, so we fixed it. And then we're not quite sure where the status of that flight is actually right now. So we're in Charlotte for the night. Must be one of those electric scooters. Those things make go fast.
Yikes.
So that's where we are. We are in downtown Charlotte for the night for this bonus episode of the Wicked Explorers. Well, that's pretty cool with the moon. Charlotte is very isolated, if you will, on a weekday night, especially a holiday.
This is a rough hill.
You gonna make it?
No.
Oh God! Oh no!
Me and Henry need food.
Yes, we're starving. Really? I think there's a guy just going around the corner, just going around the block. I think he needs a new muffler. Still not Boston. Still in Charlotte.
Still in Charlotte.
Getting back to our hotel on a Monday night on a holiday.
This place is dead.
It's Deadville. This is where the Hornets play.
The Spectrum Center.
There is a small barricade there that Sue refuses to penetrate because she's pregnant.
I almost didn't fit through.
Look, some already penetrated first. I like the word penetrate. Our hotel's right there in the blue. We think. Ballpark guy there, maybe close to over there. We're almost there. We'll get there. It'll be fun. All good. It's our second attempt to go home. Let's see if we can do it this time. The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.